हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी लोगों ने मेघालय के बारे में तो ज़रूर सुना होगा। मेघालय नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया में एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत स्टेट है और यहाँ देश भर से लोग घूमने के लिए आते हैं। So friends, in today's video, I am going to share around 30 to 40 places which you can visit in Meghalaya. So let's start the video. The first place is Shillong, which is the capital city of Meghalaya and is one of the most popular Meghalaya's tourist places. Far from the busy life, it has forested hills, pleasant climate, scenic beauty which attracts many tourists from around the world. Shillong is also considered as the gateway to Meghalaya. There are many famous tourist places in Shillong and one can do plenty of things here. Some of the famous tourist spots which are nearby or within the Shillong city are like Police Bazaar, which is located in the heart of the city. It is the best place where you can indulge in shopping. The place also offers many food and entertainment options also. Next is the 50 years old Cathedral Church, the Mary Help of Christians Cathedral. It has earned a significant place in the hearts of locals as well as people coming from outside to witness the mesmerizing beauty. Next is the Worth Lake or the Pollux Lake, which is an artificial lake in the midst of enviable greenery and in the middle of the city. Next is the Old Saints Church, which is one of the Shillong's oldest churches. This place dates back to the colonial time. Next place is the Ramakrishna Mission Ashram. Started in the year 1924 by the great Swami Vivekananda himself, the ashram has evolved to become one of the best places to visit in Meghalaya. Next is Don Bosco Museum. Meghalaya is a state with rich culture and heritage, and there is no better place to learn about the culture and cultural history of Meghalaya than Don Bosco Museum, which has been acclaimed as one of the finest and largest museums in Asia. Then comes the Lady Hyderi Park, which is named after the wife of the first governor of Assam because initially Shillong was under the Assamese government. This park is a great highlight to visit in the city. Next place is the Spread Eagle Falls, which is located in the East Khasi Hills of Shillong. They were initially called Umkaliar, but were later renamed to Spread Eagle Falls as the shape of the falls resembled as eagle in flight. If you go a little away from Shillong, then there are many other tourist spots to be visited. Some of them are like the Elephanta Falls. The popularity of Meghalaya is largely attributed to the numerous astonishing waterfalls it is blessed with. One of the most popular ones among this waterfall is the Elephanta Fall. Next is the Shillong Viewpoint. Located atop the Shillong Peak at an elevation of 6,548 feet, Shillong Viewpoint is the best viewpoint from where you can witness scenic vistas of the magical lush greenery that surrounds the region. Next place is the Umiam Lake. It is also a man-made lake which covers an expanse of 221 square kilometers. Umiam Lake is a perfect place to capture perfect frames and to admire the flawless creativity of nature and humans' limitlessness. Then you can go to Cherrapunji, which is around 53 kilometers from Shillong. It is in a neck-and-neck competition between with Mawsynram for the title of the wettest place in the world. Before Mawsynram got famous, this was inarguably the title holder. You can visit Cherrapunji during any month of the year to drench yourself into the beautiful unending rain and the beauty of nature. While going to Cherrapunji, one cannot simply miss out the fun of standing under the tallest waterfall in India, Naukalikai Waterfall. Standing 1,115 feet tall, this spectacular waterfall is a wonder of nature in itself. The next place which you can visit is Molinlong Village, which is 78 kilometers from Shillong. This is a village that won the status of being the cleanest village in 2003, not just in India but entire Asia. Molinglong village is also known as the God's own garden. After that, you can visit living root bridges in Meghalaya. There are many places in Meghalaya where you can find the living root bridges. But Cherrapunji and Shillong are the best among them, where you can see the single-decker living root bridge and the double-decker living root bridge. The single-decker living root bridge is located close to village Rivai, which is very close to Molinlong village. It can be reached by trekking a path that starts from village Rivai. And the double-decker living root bridge is in Cherrapunji, which is 30 meters long, that stands 2,400 feet high and is the longest known living root bridge. To reach this bridge, one has to make a steep descent of 2,400 feet. The next place which you can visit is Laithlum Canyon, which is 21 kilometers from Shillong. This place qualifies for one of the most spectacular landscapes in India and one of the best places to visit in Meghalaya. Next, you can go to visit the Mausmai Caves, which is 58 kilometers from Shillong. It is one of the most accessible caves in Meghalaya. You can explore it without a guide. Mausmai Cave is among the most revered landmarks in Cherrapunji. Next spot is the Seven Sisters Falls, which is 58 kilometers from Shillong. If you wish to surprise yourself by witnessing something extraordinary in Meghalaya, Seven Sisters Falls will do the trick. Located 1 kilometer south of Mausmai Cave, this magnificent 7-segmented falls are among the most popular tourist places, and this is among the highest waterfalls in the country. Then go to visit the Mawphlong Sacred Forest, 25 kilometers from Shillong. The state of Meghalaya is known for its tropical rainforest, and one of the most popular and sacred ones among them is Mawphlong Sacred Forest. This forest houses an extraordinary network of plants and trees, some of which are believed to be more than 1000 years old. Then go to have a boat ride in Umgat River, Dauki, which is around 81 kilometers from Shillong. Dauki is a small city located on the border of India and Bangladesh and is one of the trade hub between the two countries. The crystal clear and distinctive charm of this river attracts tourists from all over the country and even abroad to make an unforgettable boat ride on Umgat River and makes it one of the best places to visit in Meghalaya. After that, if you love rains, then go to visit Mawsynram, where you will get enough of it or even more than enough. Here you can walk into the clouds and drench yourself in an unlimited supply of rains, as it is popularly known as the world's rainiest place, since it receives an average annual rainfall of 11,872 millimeters. The next place to visit is Kremliat Pra, which is 58 kilometers from Shillong. Meghalaya is home to numerous natural wonders, including an uncountable number of natural caves. Kremliat Pra is the longest natural cave in India, which deserves your visit. The current length of the cave is 34 kilometers, which is expected to grow as more connected caves are discovered. Next place to see is Mokdok Dimpep Valley, 50 kilometers from Shillong. It is the most scenic place in Meghalaya. An abode of clouds shrouded the blankets of velvety green vegetation. The beauty of this valley is ecstatic in the truest sense. A viewpoint at Duan Singh Siam Bridge is the best spot from where you can witness the breathtaking vistas of this valley and capture them in your camera. There are many other places which you can visit in Meghalaya, like the Wakawa waterfall, which is 46 kilometers from Shillong, Arwa Cave, 51 kilometers from Shillong, Rainbow Waterfall, which is 54 kilometers from Shillong, Kinrem Falls, 70 kilometers from Shillong, Thangkarang Park, 64 kilometers from Shillong, Korama or Montrop, 64 kilometers from Shillong, then Trisi Falls, which is 58 kilometers from Shillong, Garden of Caves, which is 49 kilometers from Shillong, Thadlaskian Lake, 54 kilometers from Shillong, David Scott Trail, which is 28 kilometers from Shillong, West Jantia Hills, 75 kilometers from Shillong, Nokrek National Park, which is 148 kilometers from Shillong, Mothadreshan Peak, 73 kilometers from Shillong, Nathyang Monoliths, 62 kilometers from Shillong, Denten Falls, which is 56 kilometers from Shillong, Balpakram National Park, 134 kilometers from Shillong, Lalong Park Juai, 65 kilometers from Shillong. Then Garo Hills, which is 313 kilometers from Shillong. You can also visit waterfalls like Krangsuri Waterfall in Juai and Wei Sodong Waterfall in Cherrapunji. And while you are in Meghalaya, you can also do the Moringkhang Bamboo Trek. So friends, Meghalaya has many more things to offer. While you are in Meghalaya, you can visit many places.